Best deals.
1. Teapot. A removable tea infuser helps you to brew your tea easily. Just drop the tea leaves in the infuser basket and let it brew. The ample 1.2-liter capacity allows you to make 4 to 5 cups of tea in one go. Custom designed pointy spout shape helps you to pour your tea very easily. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Sugar containers. Easy lock lid enables you to lock and unlock container simply by fold down to lock the container, and lift up to unlock. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Grill pan. Thick cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for perfectly cooked meals. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Storage bins. Foldable stackable space saver multipurpose storage organizer box with wheels, handle and door. Bins are made of durable and heavy-duty PP plus PET material, which is sturdy and durable. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Salad spinner. Washer built-in drainage system. Without removing the lid, you can wash and drying greens, fruits, and vegetables. And with lid, prevent water and greens from flying around your kitchen and making a mess. Features multi-purpose salad container, let you wash, dry, serve, store your salad, and make work out of tedious chopping tasks. Washer has convenient hand crank handle turns the veggie spinner basket salad bowl. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Ceiling duster. Made of high-quality microfiber materials with new design stainless steel pole, does not rust and has a long live time. This telescoping microfiber duster with an extra long pole, can reach 100 inches when fully extended, easy to clean ceilings, cobwebs, walls, ceiling fans, and lamps. No more chairs or dangerous ladders to climb on. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Masala box. Ideal for storing Indian spices, masalas, dry fruits, mukhwas. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Tablecloth. High density fabric, heavy material that drapes nicely, is thick effectively protecting your table from scratches and stains. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Kitchen organizer. Made from heavy duty, rust-proof iron with a powder-coated finish for long-lasting stability. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Oil dispenser. Use this oil dispenser to pour continuous flow of oil. Use this oil-filled silicone brush as your regular oil spreader to apply the required amount of oil on your dish. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ice cube molds. Twist the ice cube tray with both hands, then the ice cubes are each individually separated. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Lint remover. Efficiently removes fabric fluff, fuzz, bobbles, pills, burr from all types of garments, fabrics and restores to a fresh look. Fabric brush to quickly remove dust, fuzz, dandruff from shirts, pants, jacket and more. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Strainer. Edges of cheesecloth often flips over and gets stuck to the yogurt while scraping down the yogurt. Cloth bag is specially designed for yogurt. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Spin mop and bucket. Features 2 separate compartments to keep clean and dirty water apart, so you are always mopping with fresh, clean water. The 360 degrees rotating mop head easily cleans under furniture like sofas, tables. The square-shaped design is perfect for reaching hard to clean spots like wall edges and corners. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Wet grinder. Enjoy first of its kind hands-free batter dispatch that greatly simplifies grinding and cleaning. Shock-proof ABS body and detachable stainless steel drum, unbreakable and transparent lids made of polycarbonate material. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Strainer. Made from superior food-grade stainless steel, guaranteeing robustness and longevity. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Rice pot drainer stand. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining. Stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodle strainer. Pot drain stand ensures durability for long-lasting kitchen convenience. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Waffle maker. Make your favorite breakfast classics, or get creative with waffled hash browns, cookies, and even biscuit pizzas. Any batter will waffle into single serving portions. The waffle maker gas is great for families or on the go. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Grill. Made of premium stainless steel and solid construction, stainless steel and featuring a robust broad-rimmed framework design, the wire can be perfectly tucked in the frame. The grill has an attached wide hole in the handle for hanging purposes when not in use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Sealing strip. Crafted from pure non-toxic premium silicone material, strip can be used up to 25 mm gap of door and easy to install door strip. Door stopper for home rubber prevent heat and cold escaping during winter and summer. Comes with extra strong adhesive for durable door protection. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Garlic storage container. The already labeled canisters allows people to know what's in each canisters when reaching for them without having to look. This stunner holds condiments, onions, or odds and ends like a charm. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Caddy shelf. Use this versatile shelf in your bathroom or kitchen for a clutter-free space. Skip the hassle of drilling. This shelf comes with a convenient self-adhesive suction cup for easy installation. Crafted from premium white ABS plastic, it's not only durable but also adds a touch of elegance to your space. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Storage bag. The main inner compartment is the perfect size to hold bras, undershirts, socks, or underwear. Roll up your socks or underwear and pack them in the elastic pouches. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Plant pot. Equipped with provisional drainage holes to maintain soil health is perfect for gamla for plants. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Water filter. The activated carbon purifier has a layer-by-layer purification and filtration system, which can help you remove iron slag, rust, sand, colloid, suspended solids and other impurities in the tap water at home. It is suitable for the purification of hard water and well water. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Laundry bag. Features invisible zipper design that won't loosen or open during washing, and the zipper can be tucked into the elastic band to prevent it from getting caught or scratching other clothes. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Copper water dispenser. Antique finished with etched design all over outer layer, beautifully done by hand is so mesmerizing that one can't take away the attention. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Spice jars. Made by BPA-free food-grade PP plastic material and spice rack is made by ABS thermoplastic which makes this spice rack unbreakable. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Toaster. Has 6 heating modes and a variable electronic timing control feature. Makes deliciously crispy toast. Toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time, the sleek, small appliance delivers dependable results. The 2-slice toaster is a useful addition to any kitchen counter. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Strainer pot. Built entirely from food-grade stainless steel for high durability and pure, non-reactive cooking. Induction-ready smart base. Ensures even heat distribution on gas, electric, and induction stoves. Anti-locking lid feature. Lid lifts easily even after boiling, no more stuck covers. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Bowl. Made with high-quality stainless steel and microwave-safe coating for easy reheating, mixing, and storing meals. Eye-catching popcorn print with a bold black base adds fun and flair to your modern kitchen setup. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Oil dispenser. Ideal for holding oil, vinegar, sauce etc. Made of high-grade stainless steel, BPA-free, chemical-free. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Cleaning brushes. Designed to effectively remove dust, dirt and debris from small cracks and tight spaces. The ultra-fine bristles are strong yet flexible, allowing them to easily reach tight spaces. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Bedsheet tucker. Made of a friction-resistant, durable polypropylene, strong and durable, the mattress lifter alleviates neck and back pain that effortlessly lifts the mattress and leaving both hands free to make the bed. Ergonomic design that effortlessly lifts a mattress 4 to 5 inches. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Cylinder trolley. Crafted from high-quality, durable metal to provide long-lasting strength and stability, ensuring safe and reliable support for your LPG gas cylinder. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Air fryer paper, which is waterproof and grease-proof, and with good heat resistance, can withstand temperatures up to 230 degrees Celsius. Non-stick grease-proof surface makes baking and cooking an absolute bliss. Also waterproof, so you don't need to worry there will be a leakage after getting wet. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Travel bottle. Designed with a secure flip-up lid and tight sealing mechanism to prevent leaks, ensuring your shampoo, conditioner, or lotion stays safely contained during travel. No more worries about accidental spills in your bag. Keep your toiletries organized with vibrant colored bottles, making it easy to distinguish between shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and more. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Faucet sink splash guard. Made of food-grade silicone. Unique opening design, each side is a tightly wrapped faucet, splash guard for sink don't need to cut. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Processor. Can help in atta mixer, vegetable chopping, salad cutter and extracting juice. Makes your kitchen work easy and fun. It comes with multiple detachable sharp stainless steel chopping blades for multipurpose use. The strong and unbreakable atta kneading blade is used to make dough in a minute. This food processor has 2-speed setting for maximum control, and for best results, use the low speed setting, speed 1, to whip cream, beat eggs, create pastries and bread dough. Unbreakable food processing bowl made up of transparent polycarbonate material with 800 ml capacity. This food processor includes one kneader blade for atta kneader, one food processor 800 ml bowl, one citrus juicer attachment, one slicer blade for slicing veggies, one chopper blade and one shredder blade. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Chair mat. Its adaptable size and shape make it a practical addition to any room in your home or office. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Furniture mover. The L-shaped rib design and central fifth wheel boost stability, supporting up to 700 kg, perfect for sofas, pianos, refrigerators, and more. Furniture trolley features a reinforced steel base and thickened silent rubber wheels to prevent floor scratches. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Snacks maker. Comes with 12 high-grade stainless steel plates to ensure efficient functioning and durability. The snack maker is ergonomically designed and super easy to use. Just press the dough in the container, set the relevant jali and press lightly straight into the kadhai to make crispy and tasty snacks. This mechanism eliminates the need for manual turning of knob. These plates enable you to make these namkeens quickly and with ease. Product link is given in the 42nd link. 43. Coffee grinder. Metallic flat burr coffee grinder delivers a uniform grind size, for consistent coffee flavor every time. Adjustable 40-second digital timer to ground coffee accurately and consistently. Allows you to grind only what you need, for fresh coffee grounds every time. Designed with 25 grind size settings, from coarse to ultra fine. Grind coffee beans for any desired brewing method, from French press to espresso. Enjoy convenient, hands-free grinding. Product link is given in the 43rd link. 44. Sink cleaning brush. Firm and flexible bristles clean gently but thoroughly without hurting the clothes and shoes. Product link is given in the 44th link. 45. Ice Maker Machine can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in around 6 to 9 minutes and up to 12 kilograms of ice in 24 hours. The bullet-shaped ice cubes will quickly cool down your drinks, giving you an instant chill. With its efficient and constant production of ice, this ice maker machine countertop is perfect for home parties. The indicator on the portable ice maker will alert you when the basket is full, and will remind you to add water when the ice machine is running low. Product link is given in the 45th link. 46. Travel Bags. Made from premium nylon, this duffel bag for women, men, and teens is tear-resistant and waterproof. Ideal as a travel bag for women luggage, carry bag for women travel, or luggage bag for women. Perfect for office, college, and outdoor trips, this expandable traveling bag offers 41L capacity for shopping, gym gear, or weekend trips. A stylish duffel bag for women. Those doubles as a ladies' bag for office use or big handbag for women. Product link is given in the 46th link. 47. Soap Liquid Dispenser offers a compact and efficient storage solution for your kitchen or bathroom countertop. Product link is given in the 47th link.